Good morning from the Durango Casino Resort here in Las Vegas. One of the biggest conversations right now is whether Las Vegas is slowing down. Tourist numbers may be off from the post-pandemic boom, but if you really want to understand where this city is headed, you have to look beyond the Strip. This resort is a perfect example. Stations Casino invested nearly $800 million to build the Durango, not for tourists, but for the people who actually live here. Companies don't make investments like this unless they believe the valley is going to keep growing. And here's what's even more interesting. They're already expanding the property with more gaming, new restaurants, entertainment, bowling, and additional amenities like a massive theater. That's a pretty strong vote of confidence in the future of Las Vegas. So maybe the better question isn't whether Las Vegas is dead. Maybe it's whether we've been looking in the wrong place. The Strip gets all the headlines, but the local casino market tells a different story. As more people move to Las Vegas, casinos like Durango are being built to serve those neighborhoods, and that's a trend worth paying attention to. I'm going to take you inside, show you around, let you decide for yourself whether this looks like a city that's slowing down. All right, let's go. They're doing the buffets, they're doing the bowling. Looks like they're bringing in some luxury movie theaters here. So this is going to be just a absolute massive improvement here. I'm going to get out and see if I can get some views of the construction. I don't know if I can get it from here, so before she lets me out. All right, so this is the expansion that they've been working on. I've been seeing them building this thing up for about a month or two. I've been like, oh man, I should stop by and check it out. But we're usually going somewhere else at the time. But now here we are. Gonna be building. Looks like it's gonna be building a new era of entertainment. So we'll find out what that means here shortly. All right. I'm going to take a little walk down this side. I don't know if I can get too much on this side, but they're up high enough we can kind of see what's going on. Okay, now I've got a little bit higher vantage point on this side and kind of see what they're got. This crane here hauling up some steel. We got some excavation, moving some dirt around. We got the moon. Got the moon out. So cool. Looks like a lot of stuff on that side. I'm gonna go check out the other side now, and we'll try to get you guys some more footage to see what they're actually doing here. Looks like they're just kind of building some of the steel structure here at this point. All right, guys. Well, this is the expansion that they're doing here at the Durango. They're moving some steel. It's kind of doing pretty good, but apparently they're going to be bringing in, I don't know, new slot machines. They've got, I think a 36-lane bowling alley coming in, luxury movie theater. So they're fully expanding. This is an $800 million project. $800 million that they're building right now in Las Vegas. So if this economy was dead, I can tell you right now, these guys would not be spending this kind of money, close to $1 billion, for a local casino. So something's going on here. I don't know if it's just shifting from the Strip to out here or what, but there's definitely something going on. All right. Well, that's cool. Let's go take a look inside. Let's see how it's going on inside. Hello guys, welcome. We are out here at the Durango on Tuesday morning, and we're doing quite a bit of work here. We got looks like some engineers down here doing some stuff right below me. Got a pretty good vantage point of some work to be done. I'll give you guys a shot from the front as well, but I wanted to kind of step back here and check this out. We got a lot of work going on down here. Okay, so what they're building here at the Durango is it's an expansion. It's an $800 million expansion of their casino that they built. They just opened this 2 years ago, and it's going so well that they wanted to add some bowling lanes and some movie theaters and some more slot machines, more guest amenities. So this is what's phase 3. So this is what we do in Vegas. It's kind of like what they're doing at the stadium. You know, they're saying like, well, we've secured funding for phase 1, which is build the ballpark, but the theater, the hotel casino, that might come later. And what they want to do is they want to test it out first, right? Make sure it's a viable concept. And then go to the next one, you know, rather than risking the whole project. So this is phase 3 of the project. They're building, it's going to be a theater, quite a bit of, there'll be some bowling alleys, I think, kind of like what we saw at the South Point the other day. I'm gonna try to get a little higher. Okay, so from up here we can see that they're doing a lot of the flooring like they did on the other project down at the A Stadium and at the Hard Rock. They're putting down the aluminum flooring. Sorry, catching my breath, guys. I just booked up those stairs. They're all like, who is that guy? Is that Jedi Rich out there? Yeah, that's Jedi Rich. By the way, thank you for watching, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll tag some of this equipment in the shop today. Some of the gear for the sunglasses, the hammers, the stuff these guys use. I try to research and find what they're using, because I imagine these guys are the pros, so they're using the best equipment available. So, if you guys are doing similar projects, there you go. I'll put it in the thing. Put it in the shop for you. Okay, now down the way here, it looks like we've got some rebar going in. Is that what that is? So yeah, we are on the second level of this thing. This thing had started out a while ago on the ground. I saw him doing it. I just, you know, I was on my way somewhere else each time. Usually on my way to the stadium, which was doing massive stuff for the summer. Wanting to get by here to check it out, but well, you guys know, we had to do the stadium and the Hard Rock. Welding going on over here on this side. Up comes some more steel. I hear the crane going off. We've also got this guy working here. Got another level going up here. Oh, bringing over some porta potties. He's waiting for him. Okay, let's get out of here. All right, guys. Well, that's the update for today. Kind of get an idea of what's going on here. We're gonna get out. I gotta get some groceries with the wife and do some stuff around the house. But we'll be back out here. We'll come out next week and see if they've done more progress. Or if you guys like it, I'll come back out again sooner. Pretty active. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. The original Durango opened after a nearly $780 million investment, and now Stations Casinos is adding even more. This expansion will bring a 36-lane bowling center, a new movie theater, additional restaurants, live entertainment venues including moonshine flats, expanded casino space, and hundreds of additional slot machines. And you know how I feel about bowling alleys. I absolutely love them in casinos. So think about that for a minute. Companies don't pour millions more into a property that's only been open for a very short time unless they believe this city and this neighborhood are going to continue to grow. The headlines may focus on the Strip, but projects like this tell another side of the Las Vegas story. Now, let's head inside the Durango Casino and see what one of the busiest local resorts in the valley looks like today. Expanding their casino. They're going to add some slot machines, a movie theater. They're also going to have a very nice bowling alley. But come on, let's check it out, what it looks like inside here. Keeping it nice and clean. All right. Bright and airy. Wow, look at this. You know, it's Tuesday morning. It's not even 9 a.m., so I wouldn't expect it to be. it'd be a little weird if the place was packed. It'd be like, wait, what's going on? But I definitely kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like, what the casino looked like. Let's go check out the sports lounge. It's always one of my favorite things to do. I love these wraparound. This is a great sports bar. They got the wraparound LEDs around the bar. Wow, what a fun place. What a fun place. I love it. Okay. So we still have people playing here. There's still a game going on. A few people playing. Seems pretty active. Okay. Here's the Durango sports book. It's early in the morning still. Definitely one of the better sports books in Vegas. All right, well, it's only not even 9 o'clock yet, so I wouldn't expect it to be too busy. I'll come back around at lunch maybe one of these days, but for now I'm just doing the breakfast run.